Hi, my name is Linsan, and now I'm going to explain my code of the extra credit number 2 plotter function. So for this I need to make the turtle draw this image, draw this function, plotted function, wrapped function. Yeah. So I need to import the turtle. And I set up the turtle screen. The screen color is white, and I name the turtle is test, and I set up the speed is 10 for faster. So first I'm going to draw after watching the YouTube link. I acknowledge that, so you draw the axis first, and then the red background, and then you start plotting. So I also do the same thing. So first I try to write the function to draw the axis for x-axis and y-axis. So I set the color is black, and the pen size is 5 because you want to ask for a pen width of 5, and the axis are both 600 long and center on 0, 0. So yeah, so I pick the pen up and have it go backward 300, put the pen down and make it go forward 600. So from pick the pen up, go 300, and then I have the x-axis right here. And then for the next step, I will position the turtle to draw the y-axis. So I move the turtle, pick the pen up and go to 0, 300 up here, and then put the pen down to draw and then I turn right 90 and draw forward 600. So I have the y-axis. Yeah, so I got the axis. And second step, I'm going to draw the red background. So the red background is so I saw that you run when the turtle draw the horizontal line, and then it's draw the vertical line. So I also do the same thing, but with I have the red, what is the helper function right here, make the turtle draw the red. So T is for the turtle, and I have it in range 6 because you ask in here that no background red line should be made on either axis. So I try to make on each vertical and horizontal is it will draw 6 times, and it won't like draw right here. So for the red function, it would draw 2 lines. And for example, for the horizontal red, so I set the color is light blue, and the pen size is 3 for the pen width of 3 right here. Yeah, and I pick the pen up and make it go to negative 300, which is right here, and I put the pen down and turn left 90 degree, and it go through this helper function. So it start drawing like this. So 1, and it's go to 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, it will stop right here, and I need to reposition the turtle to have it draw on the other side in order not to draw on the x-axis. So yeah, I will position right here with this command, what is TPU pen up and turn left 90 and forward 25 and put the pen down and rotate 90. So yeah, it will start right here and do this. Oh, it will start right here and do the same thing. Yeah, and then for the vertical grid, I also do have the same thing. And this time I position the turtle right here and make it draw the red. And also for the second round, I also avoid to draw on the y-axis, so I position right here, and it's also start drawing until mid this line. So yeah, so basically I complete the background red. Yeah, And then I'm going to move on to the next step, which is plot the function. The function is fx equal 1/6 times x squared negative 1/12 times x negative 7.5 from a range negative 10 to 10 inclusive. X from negative 10 to 10 inclusive. So I'm going to position the turtle on this point. So I pick the pen up and make it go to this point. So I copy down the function. So I have the y is this function, but I times the whole function to 25 right here because the spacing is 25, which is according to 1 unit. And then I have the x is start at negative 10, so it will start right here. And then so I will have the x it go in range of negative 9 to 11 because I want it to be include the 10. So and the y is I copied out this function down here. I have the y, and yeah, and I set the color for the so for the to have the to have the interval to have the ring cross at all the integer point in the interval. So I need to create I need to stamp the shape, like stamp the shape of it, but I cannot find any shape of cross or X or plus in the turtle library. So I look up on the internet and I found this. So what I can do is I can register the shape, create the on shape for the turtle. What I do right here is I create the shape for the screen, and then I set this, so I name it X, and I shape I have the I put to create it I put the pair of coordinate. So this coordinate will create this shape. And also when I try to test the function out, it give me the very thin X cross stamp, very thin. So I need to make it thicker. So I also found this one. So what is the turtle shape sign? And so the turtle shape sign, so I use this turtle shape sign outline equal 3 to make it thicker. So basically I create the shape, and then so when it's go to this I will have it one stamp right here, and then it will draw the line. So I need to change the color to red, and go to the X and Y coordinate, the next point. So to the next point. So it will go negative 8 to 10, and then it will keep going. Negative 9 to 10 inclusive. So and I for the next I put a stamp for every next integral point. I make it to put a stamp like this, so it's go until 10. And I'm going to test out to draw this function. So So I'm going to run this. Yep, it's draw the, yeah, it skip the x-axis. Oh, it's too small. Okay. And yeah, it skip the y-axis. And yep, stem drawing the line, and stem drawing the line, stem drawing, keep going until go to the other x. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.